Hello folks, this is Elias with ES Tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how to make a link to a different section of an HTML page. Let's get started. In order to successfully do this, there are two things that you need to do. The first thing is you need to make a link, and the second thing is to put an ID tag at the bottom where the link is going to go to that, or the web browser is going to detect it. So in this case, we're going to put the link up here, which is right at the bottom where it says welcome to my page, welcome to the page. We're just going to put a link, a general link to where we need to go. So in this case, it's just going to be a href, let's see, and we're going to just label it page number 2, because it is part number 2, or it's going to be considered page number 2. You can name it about, or whatever you want it to look like. It's all up to you at the end of the day. So put that in there, and the hashtag, then you put page 2. I'm going to label it page number 2. Then we're going to give it a title, because if not, the HTML or the web browser is going to think that the link is for all this text, and you don't want that. So you want to put a text to it. So we'll just put go to page 2, and then we just close it out. So so there's no confusion with this, or the web browser doesn't confuse it, and it just stays on there, as you can see. So now that we did that first part, the next part is to actually go and put the tag where we want the link to go to. In this case, we're going to go all the way to the bottom over here where it says second section, and we're going to actually type the code that's going to have it go there. So let's do that now. In this case, I made it easier so that you could see it, and I just call this section number 2, or second section, and we're going to type the following: a, put an ID, so AID, equals quotation marks, page 2, which is the actual where we want it to go to, the second section, and we're going to close it out. We're going to hit save up here because we're using codepen, and we're going to click go to page. Click on here, and as you can see, it literally went up to that area right there. If you'd like to add a link up here, you're totally welcome to do that. You don't even have to type it in. You can actually copy and paste it, believe it or not. Copy this section over here, and you put it right here, right, let's just say at the bottom. Oh, to make it look nicer, let's actually do it at the bottom part of it. And we're actually gonna label this to go. Let's go to page 1, which is the top. Or you can have, some people would call it go to the top. I'm just gonna label it page 1, just to make it easy. Okay, so we have this, and then what we need to do is, in this case, we just copy this code, right? Copy it. We relabel this, and we just name it number 1. Then we go all the way up to the top of the page. In this case, right here, page 2, and this is going to be page 1 because we're going to go up. And if you see, we literally have the link down there. It says page 1. Click on it, and it takes you right back up. Click on it again, it takes you down. So it's a way for you to navigate and create links for your customers. If you're designing websites and you need to make these links work for them, this should be pretty easy to do. You should be able to do it on if you're using an editor, if you're using Notepad. It's all pretty easy. I do it using codepen because I actually like to be able to see how I do and how I progress as I work, and so that I can check my work and to see how it's coming out. So hopefully this tutorial was able to help you. If you have any questions or suggestions, if you'd like to see any tutorials done, feel free to put up a message on the comments section. Let us know that that you want to do something. We'll definitely try to make it happen. Sometimes we can't make it happen, or it depends on our timing, but in most cases, if you let us know by sending us a comment, we could definitely try to make that work for you. Signing off, this is Elias. Take care, everybody.